Hello everyone, we are from RUDRA Surgical Mumbai. Today we are going to show you Mangeshkar Uterine Manipulator, which is articulated. Basically it is used in gynecology surgery and laparoscopy surgery. It enables surgeon to tilt the uterus forward, backward and rotate it, providing better access and visualization. Facilitates manipulation and positioning of uterus during gynecology surgery. Basically, it is crafted from stainless steel, which is reusable and autoclavable, which comes with 4 different type of clips. Here you can attach this clip like this. And you can dismantle this like this. For further information, you can contact us. Thank you.